How to use the Lightroom in easy way. So you just need to click on some few steps, click on discover, then search your some edit photos according to your choice and according to your photo. Then click on play edits, and you can check out all the edits. Then click on download on the bottom. Then you can save the discover settings, and then click on your photo, and then click on presents. So you can see all the saved discover settings, whatever you saved from there. Then click on all the settings one by one and choose one of them according to your choice, which one is look better on your photo. So choose the best one, and you can manually change the settings by clicking on the lights and effects. Then press the share button and your photo start exporting, and it will save into your gallery. Thank you.